Goblin headquarters, and today we're going to do an unboxing video for Zipang Portable, designed by Ko Sasahara. This game funded last year in 2017 and is recently being delivered. So let's go ahead and unboxing and take a look and see what's inside.
All right, so let's go ahead and start unwrapping Zipang Portable. An overview, victory, setup, starting a campaign turn battle, campaign end, and a frequently asked questions. That's convenient. Looks like we've got some tokens here. They're all the same. Mangoku. 1, 2, 3. So you have 5. You have 30 tokens here. They're pretty thick too. And not a lot of cards in here. Let's take a look. Oh, quick reference cards. Love these. And they're all the same. Got a captain. Oh, really cool artwork. Got a tea master. Come sit and have some tea. Warlord. Commander. Princess. Kabuki. Nobleman. An emperor. Shrine Maiden, Ninja, Bandit, Peasant, Merchant, and Monk. Beautiful artwork. Zipang. As you can see, there's not a lot of contents, which is good considering this is Zipang Portable. Rules look easy to follow. Several chunky tokens. Nice, colorful reference cards. I'm getting kind of a love letter vibe from looking at this. The card quality is nice. I'd say they're probably a little thinner than, either the same or a little thinner than like a poker playing card. But they are larger than like a CCG card. At least they feel like it. Oh, maybe they're the same. Let's make a comparison here. But What's also nice is how nice it fits in this box. And this is a sturdy little box too. Real nice. Sturdy, durable box. So there you have it. And I'll put up another review here pretty soon. Video soon of a review and how to play. Thanks for watching.